Good afternoon, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And right now, the ugly is on us. I got a restaurant being closed down because of a hand sink is not working. I called it a half a day today after the early start to go celebrate CB2's birthday. And 15 minutes into my R&R, I get the call and go investigate the problem. So that's where we're in round 2, and hopefully it's something quick and easy. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. And as you know, we train the apprentices. My 2 sons, Angelo and CB2. We'll see you inside when we get there. We're here and we dissected it, and it's a battery operated sensor. Everybody's pissed off.
Let us know if we need to hold unit or push something volts. So you can test that and get it working, and anything we need, let me know, and we'll go buy it. All right? I need these fixed before he can.
New batteries. This is the problem.
Don't make.
Now the sensor works. Everybody's happy. This here, look. Oh, this here? Oh, you want it straight? Where you want it at? This is threaded in. What do you want? Middle? You want center? Okay, alright, no problem. Let's not break it, right?
Maybe you broke.
I'll tell you what. Let's leave it right there. I don't want to break it. Let me see.
This camera?
What about it? See, this is threaded in. I really don't want to play with this here. This is a T&S CHEK board or something. I don't want to play with it. I don't want to break it. We got it working. The health department's happy. You know how we like to say. And there goes another satisfied customer. Everybody's happy at the restaurant. I couldn't really film. I did get a couple shots, and then the owner, the health department, and the whole kitchen was sitting there watching me swap out these batteries, which I'm super stoked that it worked. And we got her done.